me family them. This na Salone Kangaman. Where people then can say I dey do magic. Two questions the way they can ask. One, now if I can make money out of thin air, I can simply tell them say me not to cook. The other question way they can ask, now if I can make them wealth disappear, I can simply tell them say me not to assassin. I say I can do magic tricks them just for entertain people using the principle of deception and psychology. Make I go now an example. In the late 1980s, we been in Germany. One we friend been camping we on Independence Day. So I've been play with some card them. Now he say if I can show him the trick. So I say well fine. All you will get for do now for select the card. I say you get card and with some people they no right pan, then with some other card and way people they no right. I say so you free for choose any card. But the process where we go use, I go to refill through the card there and where you can say stop at any time. At that position the way you stop, now we go and choose a card. So as I explain to this guy, now he just take the card from your hand, he begin shuffle the card, he begin mix them. So I say, why you dey mix the card? He say because sometimes the card then get some kind arrangement. So if he mix them, he go sure say the card way he select than in a random card. So I've been pretty confused, but I left him. When he done 9, he give me the card. So I continue for refill him. I say stop, so he say go before. So I go before, he say stop. So I stop now, I divide the card, I tell him say you can select this card, for example, when at the 8 of diamond, or you can select this other card when at the 7 of hearts. You see, you don't want any card way me and him don't see. Instead, you want some card way number we not see it. You see, you want to choose this card. I say, okay. So I put the card in the table. So the card way he choose, you don't know the card, me don't know the card. So I say, well, I go guess this card in an interesting way. I say I go try for find cards that will relate to that particular card. So I take the deck, I split them, then I send one card out. The card go round, round, and round. And when the card land in the deck, it don't turn green. So now I put the card down. I say sometimes this green tell me say the card we choose get for deal with something like an envy or something get for deal with agriculture. I say make a try back. He say okay, go ahead. So I try. I fling one card, the card go out. By the time the card land on the deck, now a white card. Himself surprised, myself surprised. I say white, green, white. I say the white card, dandy, something a peace, dove, I say, but give me a final chance now. Okay? Himself say, fine, go ahead. So I take the card, I fling one out, the card go and like a boomerang, it land on the deck. You see? But this one now, it disappeared. So I bring and come back. And I be a blue card. So I say, well, we don't do great now. I say green, white, and blue. Waiting that they tell me now something we get for deal with Salone. I say definitely now something we get for be with Salone. It can either be a map of Salone or it can be a flag of Salone. I say, but wait today na Independence Day, likely na the flag of Salone. Now he take the deck, he look at, he smile. Now he show me the card. Salone flag. So he been very happy. So now he say, well, waiting then within the green, white, and blue mean, you know? So now I say, well, the green originally we make the flag. The green stand for agriculture and the natural resources the way Salone get. Now you see, well, fine. Waiting the white stand for. I say the white stand for unity and freedom. I say that they originally conceived for it. You see, with the blue, I say, well, the blue, then now for the deep natural harbor where we get now Freetown, one of now the deepest harbor in Africa and one of the deepest natural harbors there in the whole world. I say another interpretation why I get. I say the green I feel see because Salone have been colored in that and it represents the protectorate. Then the blue represents the colony with the capital Nabi Freetown. So they make the flag so that everything united. And at three stripes. Now I say, well, where the stripe then? So myself not know anything about it. I say, well, make a stripe for print a green stripe. So I take one the card then, but this card na joker. So I take one other red card, rub them. Then when I split them, the card turn green. I snap my fingers and push the other card then. When I swing them over, they don't turn green. Well, for the other hand then, I push them. Nothing happened. I push them, then turn white. So this guy they look me now, he they give me corner. He say, waiting they happen if me not a real magic man. I say no. I say the thing is if you dey watch carefully, now the principles of deception are they use. You can take a red card, rub them, and when you split them, it turn blue. And when you push this, you snap your finger, then turn blue. I say, well, then are the colors of the flag of Sierra Leone. 3 stripes, green, white, and blue. Now you see, Ustem na Independence Day. I say, well, Independence Day na in April, way that na the 4th month. You know? I say, then, not to, because some people then you think na April 1, the A stand for 119. I say, but not to April 19 at all. I say the same way Salone gets independence na the 27th. You see, the 2 and this 7th of April. I say and the year the 19 1 9 6 get another A 1. I say April 27 1961. I say this 1961 you can get them backward and forward. This 9 bookman and call palindrome because both backward and forward it read 1961. I say, well, this 9 are the Salone flag we are presenting. Now I say, but if me be able for produce a flag, then if you no say me na real magic man. Now I say, wait, snap my finger, I produce the flag of Salone. Me fumble them. This na Salone Kangaman. Really say tata. Bye.